Do you suffer from lack of discipline? No worries, try this. Today in this video I'm going to give you some very brief and tactical tips. Welcome back to my channel, Life and Business Advice in Under 5 Minutes. Many people think that being disciplined is all about changing your life all at once. But no, that's a recipe for failure. Today in this video I'm going to introduce a problem that I'm sure many of you are familiar with. And then after that, offer a simple solution. Simple? Yes. Why? Because simple things in life are the most effective ones. And then the next step is to carry those out until we are blue in the face. Welcome back. Imagine wanting to quit drinking, quit smoking, eat healthy, and exercise all at once, all at the same time. Sounds impossible. Yes, because it is. That's the mistake we typically make. We go from an empty canvas, empty calendar to a fully booked one, thinking that we're going to try to boil the ocean and get a lot of stuff done. But that's the biggest mistake we make. Yes, the recipe is right as far as scheduling it, because then when something is scheduled, it becomes a priority. When it's a priority, we can document it, meaning put it on our calendar. Then we can start taking action, make progress, and get the results. But the mistake we always make is that we go from 0 to 100 all at once, or try to do it. And then what happens next? The so-called shiny object syndrome. And we're like, okay, well, now the grind started. Oh, all of a sudden it started to get really, really hard and difficult. Then we quit, hop on the next opportunity. And then we say, we don't have discipline. No, I think we do have discipline, but we set ourselves up for failure, not for success. And that's the thing. So what's the right answer? The answer is to take baby steps. You're like, what? That sounds simple. Yes, because simple things are the most effective ones. How do we do it? Let's say that I wanted to do that life overhaul, lose weight, quit smoking, drinking, all of that. What I would do using my process is this. I would just identify the first step, what I would need to do. In this case, let's say it would be hit the gym, start training. What I would do is that I would put an 8 to 9 time slot, that's called training or gym, into all of my 7 days. Introduce one item first. Why do I do it that way? It sounds like it takes forever. Yes, it's the long route. But the reason why we do it this way is that it builds momentum. That's the most important part. And it teaches us how to take action. We take one little thing well. We get so much gratitude. We took action. We got results. And then we stick to that no matter what. And then after that, here's the thing. We introduce another action. So this one, using my process, goes pretty much as follows. Step number 1, identify that winning action. Step number 2, put it on your calendar and schedule it. Number 3, stick to it no matter what. And number 4, do it for 3 weeks so that it becomes a really habit that you can repeat every day. The only rule here is that during that time slot, you don't always have to exercise, but you can't do anything else. That really teaches you discipline. Sometimes you go outside and take deep breaths. Sometimes you go for a run, maybe for 10 minutes. Sometimes you just meditate and exercise and stretch, whatever you do. But the idea is that you stick to that no matter what. And this is how you build that process. And this is actually how you build that discipline that you need going forward. I want to turn it back to you. What is that area in your life that requires more discipline? Let me know. Let me help. Thank you for watching. I highly appreciate your time and all your dedication to my videos. Much appreciated. I'll talk to you again next time. Thank you and bye.